Okay, family, so I'm back. So I'm going to be using, believe it or not, I'm not using neem oil. I usually do, especially in summer when those gnats come in. But because it's cold, we haven't really seen too many gnats. I'm using rosemary essential oil. How different is that? So I'm trying it out because I've heard that it does wonders for the leaves. And because it evaporates quick, what I'm gonna do is just put it on a napkin and I'm just gonna rub those leaves down. You could also just use simply water. The reason why we do this with our leaves is because plants obtain sunlight through their leaves in order to create their own food, which is called chlorophyll, right? That's what makes their leaves green. So in other words, when you see yellow leaves, it can be because maybe the leaves are dirty, or it could be because of over or under watering. So what I'm doing is just rubbing the leaves down. I'm taking off any dirt. If you can see that, that's a lot of dirt. And what that will do is, in other words, clog the leaves so that it is not able to obtain that sunlight that it needs. Also, doing this will also prevent dust or, bugs from getting on those leaves, okay? They're not gonna like the rosemary. But also the plant loves it because it's very moisturizing for them, and it provides, just a clean environment. Just like our skin, we like to have a nice barrier on our skin for protective purposes. The same thing for the plants. They are also living things, and whatever we require, they require things too, maybe in a different way, but we live symbolically with these plants, which is why I love when people do get into wanting to have plants in their home. They're very beneficial for us. We know that they provide clean air, and we know that they provide, better oxygen. Some of them even prevent dust and allergies. And I'm someone, I have allergies all year round. So I'm often with a runny nose, or, I'll wake up stuffy. And so far, ever since I purchased a snake plant, I noticed a huge difference. I literally can breathe from both nostrils right now. Some days I wake up and I can't at all. But since that snake plant has been in here, and because I love to hang out in the kitchen because I'm always like cooking for the kids or cleaning, the snake plant is not too far from the kitchen, and it really does help. So I'm thinking about buying even a few more. So if you're someone that's looking for those type of benefits, definitely do it. Just make sure that before you purchase some plants, that if you have any small pets, make sure that it's okay around pets. Okay, so I'm still cleaning, and you guys know how that part goes. So I'm just going to end the video. If you have any questions, leave a comment in the comment area, and I'll be more than happy to, answer them. I'm learning as I go, but so far it seems like this might be my thing. It's almost like second nature for me. Some of these leaves have yellow spots, but I think that's because the water was a little dirty. And also, I put her in a corner because this one requires indirect sunlight. So some of the leaves that aren't getting that sunlight, even if it's just a little bit that they need, they will be on the yellower end, okay? So stay tuned for more videos and tips. And may Yahuwah bless and keep you all. Shalom.